We are track record.
We are never finished. What's up, bros?
Good morning, everybody. The M4 is still here.
We are still here in one piece.
We're ready to start the day. Yeah.
Hey, we're gonna explore the city.
Yeah, we have.
Our tour guide, Brett, is currently at a volleyball tournament, so he's indisposed at the moment. But so we're gonna explore the city on our own.
This thing, the back end loses pretty easily. It catches itself every time, but it kicks out pretty easily. So, but check this out. We got real carbon fiber, obviously, everywhere. We got the red interior.
Is it real carbon fiber?
It is. I inspected it. It is real carbon fiber. Carbon fiber on the shifter, or the gear lever, the center console. I don't think the steering wheel has any, but the dash definitely is full of it. Carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber front lip, carbon fiber hood or roof, and carbon fiber lip on the back, and carbon fiber exhaust tips. It's got it all. So we're almost to La Jolla right now. We're gonna meet up with Patrick, the subscriber, or you call him Patrick, the subscriber.
We're gonna call him Peagles.
Yeah. That's just going from second to first. It's so good. The whole goal of today is to get like as many like really nice cinematic, epic shots as we can with this car while we have it. So we're gonna really utilize today for that purpose. And then today's video is just gonna be kind of like a behind the scenes vlog and everything we do to get those shots. And then the next video is gonna be like the final piece that you guys will see. We'll definitely show you some edits from it in this video. Goodbye, M4. I'll be back soon.
Hopefully you'll be okay.
All right, so we're looking for Operation Look for Patrick. So I think he said he was behind the tower.
Are there a bunch of them?
No, dude, that's a pretty crazy tower. I think he's talking about that. Patrick, I'm gonna film you and be really awkward, but good to meet you, man.
What's up, man? How you guys doing?
So this is Patrick. He came all the way here from Pittsburgh, and he's got his own YouTube channel. So why don't you tell him what it is, so they can probably put it in the description.
Right now, I haven't changed the brand name. It's just Patrick, and then Goelz.
Patrick's a really cool guy, and he's got a lot of like promising stuff going on. So if you're interested, definitely check him out. He doesn't know what we have yet, so we're gonna walk over to the car and do a little ride along. And we're gonna try to find a spot to do some shooting.
Ready? I knew I saw you guys pull up. This isn't it?
Yeah. This is it.
That's awesome.
We're able to pull through with the M4.
That's
which
crazy.
Is a ridiculous amount of torque too. So this it's almost scary to drive, but it's really fun. Oh really? Jordan.
I believe I am at the highest point in San Diego, but also it might be over there. Got this giant cross behind me up there. We just finished up hello hangout with Patrick. I had to come up here because they're too tired. And we're going to now make our way down the mountain and over to Brett. I'm updating everybody, right?
All right, let's do this. Let's pick up the doughboy himself. What's Brett's nickname?
The Destroyer.
Oh yeah, the Destroyer. All right, you guys, we are about to head out to pick up Brett. So Jordan, here you go. Oh boy.
All right. Hello, everybody.
Look at that, automatic seats. Just press a button, it goes back. Let's freaking do this. What gear was that?
Third.
Third? Slipping in third.
Third.
So we're waiting for Brett to come out right now. You want to bet? Okay, what's the temperature out here, Jordan?
Where is it on? Is it on this?
Oh no, it's
over there.
Mid to low 60s out right now. And how much you want to bet Brett's wearing flip-flops when he comes out of his apartment?
He's wearing flip-flops.
He's definitely wearing flip-flops. Here he is. Shorts. He's got a sweatshirt and shorts. He's definitely got yummies.
You guys are so. Oh my god. It's only got 2 doors. You tools.
Oh, he doesn't have flip-flops. What?
I don't have flip-flops on.
What did we bet you did?
You guys don't know me.
What do you
I
think of
do
this,
that.
Brett? Oh, nice, dude. It's dressed for the
Red
occasion.
seats. You have your gloves on, Jordan.
Yeah.
It's got my car's got carbon fiber too. It's a Honda Civic. Oh my god. All right.
So,
can't reach the seatbelt.
Are you
All
hungry,
right, so
Brett?
name yeah, let's go to that burrito place. That was
All right.
good.
Yeah.
Which
quietly
How
drive
close?
out of here. I don't
How
want to
close is
ruin
it?
all my neighbors, dude.
Because we're driving to a food.
Oh my gosh, dude. And then get in the far left lane, you're gonna turn left onto the 8. And then left again, yeah, you're gonna turn left to this light. I wish I brought a hood.
All right, we're gonna do some, Jordan's gonna drive by real quick. Because I haven't heard this car on the exterior yet. So, Jordan's gonna drive by. And we'll get some exhaust sound for you guys. It's real quick. Yeah, this is him.
Did you record that?
Yeah.
I'm getting out of this car. I'm not doing this. That's where I draw the line, dude.
Brett, did you have fun?
No. No. I like adrenaline, but not that kind, dude. Nope. Swiper, no swiping.
And Brett's pieced out. All right.
All right, guys. So I'm coming up to Brett's car. He parks on the street here, and I'm gonna prank him. Let me get into some good light so I can kind of show you guys better. So I got these little mini spoilers off of Amazon. It was like $8. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna add some rice to Brett's Civic. We got some 3M tape on here, so I'm just gonna wipe down the back a little bit.
Just like that.
There it is. Brett's got his little first mod done to his car. So we're gonna wait and see if he notices this tomorrow morning when we come get him. So hopefully this will be one of the more hilarious things.
Did you get it?
I did it.
Is it stuck on there pretty good?
Yeah. So it's pretty funny. A little off center though.
Oh, it's okay, dude. All right, good morning, everybody. We're all here, and oh my gosh, we're starting the day off today. This is our last day. Oh, and Brett's driving the M4. This is gonna be an experience. Great. Oh. Careful.
It's the opposite, it's from the ground up.
Yeah.
Overall, my car is way smoother. And it's a Honda Civic.
Oh my gosh, Brett. Alright, so he doesn't know that we're gonna get the wings on his car. Alright, so we're gonna go film some rollers with this. And I'm gonna be in Brett's car with the Ronin. And Jordan's gonna be driving the M4. What? What, dude? What? Dude, you got a wing? Since when did you get a wing in your car?
Are you guys kidding? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
Just ripped it off.
Dang it. Oh my god.
He saw it before he even came over here. He saw it from over there.
Lame. What's up, guys? How's everybody doing today? Seems weird that I'm introducing everyone to the closeout. Well,
okay.
We just ended a trip
The whole trip is coming to a close, and we're heading back. We're
to
gonna be
Los Angeles.
handing off the car, and it's sad to see it go, but definitely was a huge learning experience.
Being that this is probably the fastest car that me or Kevin has ever been in, it was scary. It felt like the car was literally trying to kill us anytime we tried to poke it. It was like poking a bear.
Yeah.
You thought it would be fun, but then you're like, never mind.
Yeah, you put it into manual mode and it kind of just takes off. So
all in all, it was a really fun trip. We got a lot of cool things done. If you do like the video, give it a... Oh. Never gets old.
sorry, there was a tunnel that came up and I had to
smash that like button.
We have a lot of
lost
things
my
planned.
train of thought.
It's okay, sorry. I mean, wait.
No. Oh, okay, I guess.
No
Hope
more.
you guys enjoyed that video. We had a lot of fun making it. If you did like it, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you have not already to see more content from us.
There's another tunnel coming up, Jordan. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do.
So, we are Track Record,
No.
and we are never finished, but before we end you with this video, we're gonna give you one last overpass pull.
Oh gosh, okay. Alright, before we kill ourselves, we're gonna call it a day, and we will catch you guys
In the next one.